no one knows what magic sounds like, and as a sound designer, it really frees you up to go crazy and get all your best ideas in one go.
One thing I really wanted in the game this year is for the sound to be an integral part of the game design. So I didn't just want it to make the game sound better, I really wanted it to represent the changing character in Hogwarts from Dumbledores to Umbridges, and I also wanted it to actually be important in the levels itself.
It's with the audio that you could have two identical rooms, but actually with the audio we could make one feel warm and bright and homely to you, but actually we could make the other one cold and scary.
One of the things we wanted to continue, which we've done on all the other Harry Potter games, is actually work closely with the film sound crew. With Harry Potter, you want all the creatures to sound the same, you want spells to sound the same, and key moments have the same emotion, which is often done through the audio.
If I was going to break down how we source our sounds for Harry Potter, I'd say we break it down into Foley, field recording and CD libraries. So the Foley recording is where we go to a specific studio and record specific sounds for specific actions, like a table being ripped apart, something exploding, a rock falling 20 feet and hitting the ground and rolling down a hill. Field recording is where we go to an actual place and we record the ambience of the room, the real life creaks with the real life ambience, and that kind of gives it a really rich reality. And the CD library is the last stop, really, is where we get a lot of sound effects that we really want and then we manipulate them so they actually fit our needs in the game.
Watching the footage of the pumpkin popping out of the chimney, all I could hear in my head was the sound of a Polish cannon. So what we're going to do today is go and collect the bits and pieces necessary to make a Polish cannon and record it. We've got the ingredients, we put it all together, we were out in the car park at about 11 o'clock at night with a video camera and recording equipment all around us, and so windows were twitching, what's going on out there and all this wonderful stuff, and it was just exactly the right sound.